Hello everyone, today we are going to explore the Redeemer box from 𝒄𝒊𝒔. So let's begin. Task 1. Which TCP port is open on the machine? To know this, let's perform an nmap scan and use the switch A, the switch -P- and the switch T4. I used the switch A to have access to information like OS, the version and other things. I used the switch -P- to scan all ports and the switch T4 to help with the speed of the scan. Now we just need to copy the IP address here and see what's the output. So here we have our answer, that is 6379. Task 2. Which service is running on the port that is open on the machine? From our scan we can see that the service is Redis. Task 3. What type of database is Redis? Choose from the following options. So the first one is in-memory database and the second is traditional database. So from my research I could see that the Redis is an in-memory database. The difference between in-memory database and traditional database is that in-memory database stores data in the computer's memory, aka RAM. And because of that we can retrieve data super fast. The traditional database stores data in the computer's disk and it's slower to retrieve data from this DB because the data is not at hand. So the answer is in-memory database. Task 4. Which command line utility is used to interact with Redis server? Enter the program name you would enter into the terminal without any arguments. Well, I don't know that much about Redis database, so I solved this challenge by using the Redis manual. So, in the manual it says that the command used to interact with the Redis server is Redis CLI. Okay, so we know that the command is Redis CLI, but here on our task they tell us to enter the command in the terminal without any argument, so let's do it. Redis CLI, enter. So, as you can see here on the terminal, when we enter the command alone without host and port, it will try to connect to the default host, this one, but we don't want that. We want to connect to our target machine. So the answer is Redis CLI. Task 5. Which flag is used with the Redis command line utility to specify the host name? To know which flag is used, I wrote on the terminal Redis CLI age from help. So we know that the flag is age, so that's our answer. Okay, now we have enough to connect to Redis server. We just need to use the following command. Redis CLI age for host. Now we just need to copy once again the IP address to the terminal. Then P for port, that is 6379. You click enter and here we have our connection. Task 6. Once connected to the Redis server, which command is used to obtain the information and statistics about the Redis server? Using their manual, I saw that the command is info. As you can see, info command returns information and statistics. So let's enter that command on our terminal. Info, enter. And here we have a lot of information about our server. So the answer is info. Task 7. What is the version of the Redis server being used on the target machine? As you can see, the version is 5.0.7. That's our answer. Task 8. Which command is used to select the desired database in Redis? The command is select. So the answer is select. Task 9. How many keys are present inside database with index 0? The answer is db size, because this command will return the number of keys. So let's insert this command, db size. So our answer is 4, as you can see. Task 10. Which command is used to obtain all the keys in a database? I used one command from this example, and that command was keys and all. As you can see from this example, this command will list all the keys inside of a DB. So let's insert that on our terminal. Keys, all, and here we have all our keys, and one of them is called flag, and I think that our flag is there, so let's see its contents. Using this example here, we just need to use the command get and the name of our key, that in our case is flag. Get flag, and here we have our flag. So that's all, guys. I hope I could help you with any questions that you had, and if so, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If not, please leave a comment in the commentary section down below. Have a nice day and bye bye!